YouTube, my name is Andrew, and I'm going to start a tutorial series for making a custom power network. I'm going to do something no one else on YouTube has ever done. There was one person that started, but he never finished. Okay, so after you have your clean forge source code, or existing, whatever you're doing, um, just do Gradle setup decomp workspace. I'm lazy for typing, so I'm just going to do this. As soon as it gets done, wait for it. Okay, it's almost done. We are almost done. Come on. We're almost built. Okay, so in this tutorial series we are going to be doing I'm going to make the power network, and we're going to make probably one block that requires power, or maybe two. Alright, so then do Gradle Eclipse. If you don't use Eclipse and you use IntelliJ, I'm not actually sure what it is, like I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so build successful. So then you come to the Eclipse, you take the source. I'm going to minimize this, open up Eclipse. And then as soon as Eclipse is opened, we are going to start with the fun process. Okay. Okay, that shouldn't open for you. Okay. So I created a class called Tut. So I'm just gonna create. Alright, so I'm gonna create a class. I'm gonna call it Tutorial. This is gonna be our main class. Okay. So then the first thing we will do is we'll do our app mod method. App mod. And then we are going to do mod ID equals, we are going to make a reference class, and then dot mod ID. Actually, you know what? Let's do mod underscore ID. Okay, and then we'll do comma space name equals, I'm lazy, sorry about this, guys. I'm gonna do reference dot mod underscore name. Okay, so then I'm going to create a new package called dot. It's just gonna be lib, and I'm going to change how I perceive my stuff. There. So I'm going to make a new class. Actually, as I said, I'm really lazy. So I'm just going to create a new class like this. Call it reference. Okay. So then in reference, I'm going to import app mod. And then reference doesn't want to import automatically, so we will force the import. If yours imports, yours imports. So it's tut.lib.reference. There we go. And then we are going to go into reference, and we're going to do public static final string mod ID equals, I'm just going to call this mod ID tut, and then finish it off. String is supposed to be with capital S. And then since I'm lazy, guys, I'm so sorry. Then it's going to be mod underscore name equals, I'm just gonna call it tutorial. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna put public static final. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Public static final string. As I said, guys, I am lazy, so I'm just gonna put client proxy equals this and this, and then public static final string common proxy since we'll be making the proxies real soon. I'm not going to put where they're referenced yet. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do, let's see, what do I want to do? I guess we could do the proxies. So at cited proxy, and then client side equals, sorry guys, say it. I said I'm lazy. Reference dot, why is that not working? Reference, okay. It's being a pain for some odd reason. Reference dot client proxy, comma space, server side equals reference dot common proxy, and then hit save. And then up here, I'm going to do at instance and then it's going to be at instance, what's it called? Reference dot mod name. Why is this giving us a pain? I love it when sometimes stuff doesn't like me. Alright, so then we're going to do public static common proxy, and we're going to reference it as proxy. Yeah, proxy. Alright, and now I'm going to import instance, and I'm going to import cited proxy. And then I'm going to make a new package called proxies. Actually, I'll just call it proxy. And then let's fix the few errors we got. There we go. Okay. And then we are going to gonna make common proxy. So, made common proxy. And then we are going to register a few things. I'm lazy. I'm sorry, guys. Just pause it if you have to. If I'm going too fast. So you do the render registering. Okay. And then we register the tile entities. And then that's good. So then we can import common proxy. There we go. Common proxy has been imported. And now we get to do the fun one. Client proxy. Okay. So we do client proxy. And then after we do client proxy, it needs to extend common proxy. I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. So extend common proxy. And then you need to register the renders. And then that's all we have to do here. And then in reference, we'll reference them. So then it's tut dot proxy dot client proxy, and then tut dot proxy dot common proxy. Okay. And now that we have those few things, we can check. We are actually going to add one more thing before we start, because we're going to need it later. Public static tutorial. We're doing the instance. I think I spelled instance right. I think so. Okay. And then we are going to test run it real quick. If it runs, this will be the end of the first of I don't know how many tutorials we are going to have. Okay, let's see. Go to mods, tutorial. Okay. This is my name's Andrew, and I'll see you next time.